Let's explore how you can create a cost of living guide for international students using the UNI Global AI Copilot. On the left-hand side, begin by entering the home country. Here, it's United Kingdom. Next, add the host city. We've listed Melbourne. Then specify the host country, which is Australia. You can select a preferred language, model, and word count if you'd like. Once the details are filled in, click the Generate button. Now turning to the right-hand side, we see a localized cost of living guide. This output gives a clear breakdown of expected expenses in Melbourne, including housing, groceries, dining out, and transportation. It offers specific price ranges to help students from the UK budget effectively for their time in Australia. You can edit the text, export to Word, or copy it into your institution's cost planning resources.